In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how I designed this social media flyer in Adobe Photoshop. Hey everybody, my name is Obed. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on the post notification bell icon to be notified anytime I drop new video, and you have subscribed to thank you so much. Now if you're looking to get yourself a resource pack to help you with your graphic design workflow, then I have one for you. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, and I'll also pin it in the comment section. Get yourself a copy and then get access to for 4,000 HD graphic design resource pack for your graphic design journey. Now let's get into the video. So in this video, we are going to use the 9 by 8 inches. So I'm going to change my width to 9 and then maintain my height as 10. All right. And I'm going to give this flyer a name, so I'm going to call this Belter Social Media Flyer. Alright, and I'm going to click on Create. Good. We're now click on this guy right here, and then click on Solid Color, and then change the color to 1D0101. Alright, and then click on OK. Alright, now click on this guy to put a new layer. Alright, now come to the foreground color. Alright, and then let's change it to this color right here. So I'm going to use this color code here. Click on OK, and I'm going to grab my brush tool. Alright, make sure to increase the size. Okay, so this is okay for me, and then I'm using the soft round brush under the general brushes. Alright, and I'm going to apply it right here like this, and I'm also going to apply it here. Alright, and I'm going to apply it to this side as well, so, and this side as well. Alright, so this is okay for me. Good. I'm going to adjust it a little. Click on this guy. Alright, now I'm going to create another layer on top of it, and I change the foreground color. Alright, so let's move it to this side. Click on OK, then grab my brush tool, and I'm going to apply it here like this. Okay, so this is okay for me. Good. And the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to your shapes. Alright, and then select the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle shape like this. Awesome. So this is okay for me. Alright, now come to the properties options, and then change this to 50 pixels, and let's see. Okay, let's use 100 and see. Alright, 100 is good. And then make sure that this guy right there is toggled. Alright, now let's change the color. So you're going to use FFC600. Right, and then click on OK. Good. Now I'm going to adjust it like this, and then put it right here. Click on this guy. Alright, you may increase the size. Okay, click on this guy. Alright, good. This is okay for me. Alright, so right click on it, and then go to blending options. Good. And then click on the inner glow. Alright, when I'm going to use all the settings here, you keep the opacity at 100%, the noise should be 0%, and then this is the color code that we are using, which is FBE684. Alright, click on OK, and then make sure that your choke is 0%. The size should be 133 pixels. Then make sure you use the first contour. Alright, good. Now click on the outer glow as well. So you're going to do some changes here as well. So let's change the opacity to 23. Good. And then let's keep the noise at 11, and then let's change the color to FDCD69. Right, and then click on OK. Good. And I'm going to change the spread to 22, and then the size, I'm going to do it 174 pixels. Alright, and then make sure you select the first contour, and then leave the range at 50%, and then click on OK. Alright, now from here, this is what I'm going to do. Alright, so create a new layer on top of that, and then let's change the foreground color. Alright, so this is the color code that we are using, and then click on OK. And then this way, you are going to do, grab your brush tool and adjust it like this. All right, select the soft round brush. Can decrease the size if you want. So this is okay for me. Good. And this we are going to apply it here like this. Here 1, 2, and then 3. All right. Good. Now you have to change the blend mode from normal to linear dodge. So where is linear dodge? Good. This is okay for me. And I'm going to reduce opacity to something like 67 for me. All right. Now let's add our first text, which is the burger text. So let me increase the size to something like this. And then we have good. I'm going to increase the size like this. And I'm going to change the font to, let's use Times New Roman C. So we have Times New Roman, regular, good. Let's change it to gold. Awesome. So now this is what we're going to do. So right click on it and then go to blending options and then come to gradients overlay to this one. Now let's come here and we're going to change this side to SK8614. Click on OK and then make sure that the location is at 14%. All right, and let's come to this side and then let's change the color to FBE4B4 and then click on OK and then make sure that the location is at 87% and I'm going to click on OK. Now let's change the style to linear. All right, and then the angle, let's use 90 degrees and keep the scale at 144%. This is okay for me. Then I'm going to click on OK. Good. Now let me increase the size a little bit. So let's come back to this light effects that we added and then adjust it like this. Okay. All right, so this is okay for me. Good. But now head over to your shape tool and then select the rectangle tool. All right, now I'm going to draw the shape like this. Change the color to white. Click on OK. All right. Then I'm going to put it right here like this. Good. Now right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Grab your rectangle mat tool and let's get rid of the middle part like this because we don't want it. With that selected, on your keyboard press from the delete key, but click on it and then click on the select. Now grab your text tool and add your next text. I'm going to change the size to 12, change the color to white. Click on OK and then let's add our text, which is Mimi Bytes. Good. Now I'm going to put this right here like this. And then let's change the style to regular. All right. Okay, so this is okay for me. Just going to adjust it a little bit. Good. Awesome. Alright, now head over to your files and I'm going to leave all of these in the description of the video so that you can download and then practice. Now you have two images here. You have this and then this one. We can go ahead and then use any of them. But we are going to make use of this, so drag and drop it in your Adobe Photoshop. Click on this guy. Then I'm going to adjust it like this. Alright. Okay. Which is right here. Alright, so I think this is okay for me. And I'm going to click on this guy. And let's go back to our text. And let me position it very well. So I'm going to put it right here and then bring it down a little bit. Okay. All right. Now create a new layer on top of the burger image, right? Right click on it and then click on create clipping mask. All right. Now change your foreground color to yellow. So let's sample this color here, and this is the color code FFC 600. Click on OK. Grab your brush tool. Let's adjust it. Good. And I'm going to reduce the size. Okay. So this is okay for me. And then I'm going to apply it here like this. All right. Good. All right. Then I'm going to change the blending from normal to overlay. So this is overlay for me. Awesome. Now this is what you're going to do. Go back to your shape again. Right, and then draw a rectangle shape like this, very long one. Good. Now we are using the same color that we used for the foreground. All right, click on OK. Right click on it and then go to blending options. Head over to the inner glow. All right, now we are using everything here, every setting that you are seeing here. The opacity should be 100, the noise should be 0. This is the color code that we are using. Click on OK. And then we are using the choke should be 0, the size should be 133 pixels, just like we did for the first shape. All right, and then we are using the first contour. Good. And then let's come to the outer glow, the same setting that we used for the first one. But then this time around, let's see what we can do here. So let's come to opacity, and then let's keep it at 23. And then let's come to the spread. I'm going to keep the spread at 39. All right, and then the size I'm going to keep it at 51. And then I think we are going to maintain the contour and then every other thing here, and then click on OK. Good. Now I'm going to position it very well. So let me decrease it a little bit. Click on this guy. All right, so this is okay for me. Now let's go back to the background. All right, and then let's see what we can do here. Okay, so I think this is perfect. All right, so we are using this color code here, which is 110000. All right, and I click on OK. Now this is what designing is all about. If something doesn't work for you, if option A doesn't work for you, then you try something else. All right, so I'm just going to adjust this with some more and then put it right here. Let's see. Okay, click on this guy. Now I'm going to go back to my shapes and draw another shape like this, very tiny one, and I'm going to keep it right here, but I'm going to change the color. So let's sample the background color. Click on OK, and I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay. So this is okay for me. Click on this guy right here. Let me zoom in so that we can see what we are doing. Good. I'll go back to your shape again and then select the rectangle tool. Then I'm going to draw this straight line like this. Right. And I'm going to turn off the color fill and then give it a stroke. All right, change this to this. Let's see. All right, so this works better. Then I'm also going to adjust it like that. It is right here. Okay, this is okay. Click on this guy right here. Good. I'm going to your folder, all right, and then drag and drop this icon here. We have another one through here, but I'm going to use this one, so drag it to your Photoshop. And then I'm going to reduce it like this. Click on this guy. Now right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Go to your magic eraser tool and then click on the white background. Right, and then the background is gone. Good. This is what we want. So I'm just going to adjust it like this, rotate it, and then keep it right here. So I think it's tricky for me. And let's add our next text. I'm going to reduce the size to 16, change the color. Let's sample this color here, right? And I'm going to add my text, which is the contact. So click on this guy. Let's reduce the size, adjust it like this. Click on this guy, just right here. Click on this guy. All right, and this is what we are going to do. All right, to select the contacts here, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and then drag it to this side like this. Now let's change the color to white. Alright, click on OK, click on this guy. Now let's change this font to Montserrat. Okay, so Montserrat medium, and I'm going to change this to bold. Alright, click on this guy, and I think we can also change the font for the contacts to Montserrat as well. We are going to use Montserrat. If you don't have Montserrat, you need to check that font out. It's a very beautiful font. Alright, I recommend it to every designer out there. Now head over to our folder, drag and drop this image right here. Alright, click on this guy, right click on it, and then click on rasterize. Grab your magic eraser tool and then click on the white background to get rid of it. Let's reduce the size. Good, and I'm going to put it right here like this. I'm going to increase it. Click on this guy, and I'm going to change the color to white. So click on color of the valley. Then we're using white, right? And then press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate. Now let's change this one. Let's reduce the opacity to 50%. Good, and I'm going to decrease the size of the second duplicate, or the one we duplicated, and then put it on the original one like this. So grab your text tool like this, and then add your text. So it will be the price. All right, good. Click on this guy. Then I'm going to adjust it like this. Click on this guy. Let's choose the center. Okay, so let's right. Good. All right, now go back to your files again, and we are going to drag and drop this image right here. Click on this guy, right click on it, and then click on rasterize layer. Grab your magic eraser tool, get rid of the background, and then let's decrease the size. Good. I'm going to rotate it like this and put it right here. Click on this guy. Now head over to the filter, and then click on blur and then Gaussian blur. Let's see. Alright, let's use 15. 15 is okay for me. And I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and then bring it down like this. Right, keep it right here. Good. Now go to your folder again, drag and drop this image. Click on this guy, right click on it to rasterize, and select the magic eraser tool to get rid of the background. Good. click on this guy, filter, Gaussian blur, and I would keep it right here like that. Right. Alright, now head over to your shape tools and then grab your rectangle tool and draw a straight rectangle like this, very thin one. But they are going to select the background color, and this is what I'm going to do. So on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+G to make a duplicate, and then you move it down like this. Ctrl+G again, and then you move it down like that. Good. Now we are going to put all of these together. So I'm going to merge them, merge shapes, and then grab your eraser tool. First, let's rasterize it. So rasterize. Good. Awesome. And I'm going to rotate it like this and then adjust it this way. I'm going to have it put here. Good. Click on this guy. Let's see. All right. And I'm going to add my text like this. So we have first text, very affordable. The second text is fast on service, right? And then we have delicious taste, and then last we have best in town. Good. Awesome. So I'm just going to adjust it like this, do some adjustments here, which is space it out. All right, let's see. Click on this guy. Okay, so and then let's adjust our shapes and see. All right. Good. I think this is okay. So you need to take your time and then make sure that everything is making sense here. All right. Alright, so I'm going to go for this because this is okay for me. And the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to your shapes again, and then this time around select the ellipse tool. Good. And let's draw circle like this. Alright, let's change the color to the background color, which is this color here. And I'm going to put it right here like this. Click on this guy, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate. Move it down like this. Press on Ctrl+J again to make a duplicate. Move it down like this. And Ctrl+J, then you move it down like that. All right. So you can go ahead and adjust them if you want. Good. Now let's add our final thing, and then we are done for this tutorial. So we're going to drag and drop our subjects, which is this guy right here. So drag and drop it like this. Click on this guy, right click on it, and click on rasterize layer. Now head over to the selector, click on subjects, and then wait for the subject to be selected, right? Now from here, click on this guy to add the layer mask, and in the background is gone. So on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+T to transform. All right, and then right click on it, and then click on flip horizontal. Click on this guy, and we are going to adjust it this way. So I'm going to have it put right here. So basically we are done with this flyer. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the post notification so that anytime I drop new video you'll be notified. Until I come with another video, I'm out.